It's a gray day today, and I've had a few heavy days. Hard days happen. So do good days. How do you get out of your hard days? This is my go-to. I love this. This palette here is the Kuretake Art Deco colors. The beauty of working with a curated palette like this is that the colors, they look beautiful next to each other. This is my own palette. These are colors that I have curated. Every artist has a color palette that they work with. And in my case, I love all these mainly floral colors. So today I'm working on a little project. I got this at the dollar store. What attracted to me was the color. Isn't it cute? And I started doing a few line drawings in here. And I'm moving forward. These aren't finished. I still have to do the line work. But I just thought I'd pop in and show you what it looks like. Look how pretty that is. At first I was thinking of using purple. But no. We'll see how that turns out. Now I did the flower on the opposite end because I don't want them to blend into each other. I have to wait for the watercolor to dry. I'm near an open window. I'm deciding now, in the meantime, what do I use as a table color? So this is where I go back to my trusty Art Deco palette. Here we go. Now, I want the table to be a neutral shade, so maybe I'll use one of these browns. How about that one? Venetian red. Well, it looks brown to me. What else can we use? Oh, one of these colors will be the background. That might be a nice color for the table too. So you see, when you have curated colors like this, things look good. Whoops. My puppies are busy. What's going on with the dogs? Dogs, yeah, I have two. I'm babysitting one. And there he is. Security system engaged. Oh, hello. Are you gone too? All right. Hi. What did you do out there? Hey, are you doing good boy things? And you too? How about you? Are you doing good boy things? Yeah, I know. Oh, big stretch. Look at this boy. So the table, Venetian red. Venetian red was a good choice after all. Do you want me to put it down? Yeah? Oh, we're gonna go play now? Yes? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Here we are. The peanut gallery is engaged. So are you guys ready? Hey, what you doing here? So this is a little bit of what I accomplished. I already did a video on this one. Next was this. There's this. There's this. Oh, I have some more in here, but I haven't done them yet. So this was the last one. Like I said, I still have to do the line work. You see how things pop when you do line work? I'm going to do the same thing for all of them. And hopefully it will be beautiful. It's puppy time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.